Now, as you are preparing for your exam, your WAEC exam, your level exam, your NECO exam, one of the easiest ways to prepare is to always practice with your past questions. Why do you need your past questions? You need past questions because it is a tool. It's a very important tool you need to make it in your WAEC and NECO exam. The past questions is a collection of questions that the same exam body has asked over the years, and it's something you will need. The past questions will show you the questions that they have asked and the solutions, whether it is mathematics, physics, accounting, Yoruba language, Igbo language. The past questions will guide you. The past questions will show you questions that have been asked and how they were solved. By the way, if you have not gotten your timetable for your exam, whether it is this year, 2024, or any other year, just comment under this video that you need me to send you the past question. Just first of all, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Then I will guide you and send you any resource you need, whether the timetable, the syllabus, or the past question. So subscribe to our YouTube channel right now and then drop a comment with what you want, telling me that you have subscribed. Now, I said, past questions will show you the questions most likely to come out. The past question will show you questions that is most likely to come out because oftentimes WAEC repeat questions, NECO repeat question, JAM repeat question, GCE repeat question, BESE repeat questions. So what these examining bodies do is that they have a question bank which they pick questions from. But if you are familiar with the past questions, it will be easy for you to know, oh, they will ask this kind of questions. Now, my work is to send you the past question. Your own work is two things. Number one, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Number two is come under the comment and say, I have subscribed. Once you comment and say, I have subscribed, I will guide you on how to get the past questions. The past question will be online, so you can use your phone or your laptop, access the past questions, and begin to practice with it. If you also want to join our study group, Noble study group, you also let me know that you want to join our study group and we will all keep going. If you have not seen this particular video, what WAEC 2024 will look like, go over to our YouTube channel and look at the video right now. This is our school, Noble Group of Schools here in Enugu State. So comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now, drop a comment that you have subscribed, then I will send you the resources you need.